Listen and practice your English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can you speak any other language?
Yes, I can speak 3 languages.
What is your name?
My name is Sayan.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from California.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock in the morning.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is 23 February.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is egg.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is the weather like today?
It is raining.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like travel?
Yes, I like to travel and explore new places.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like to drink coffee.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I am good at tennis.